All right, ladies and gentlemen. So today is Monday, 18th of September, and like basically the new week's just started, and we have a lot of the great news which Jake will gonna provide for us. Also, a lot of the other great, people from the executive team. Like, just on the previous webinar with Jennifer, so like, this is the chief operation officer. We had almost 100 people on the call. So like maybe today, like people they know that Jennifer is not gonna be with us. That's why they don't join. I'm not sure, but they will gonna jump on the call, in the few minutes, 100%. So yeah, like I'm just saying that everything is going great right now. That what we see in Capitalium, and like for today, there's gonna be the token launch, and we have the amazing promo just for the 24 hours. So for any deposit, if people are gonna just deposit today, I think we just have like few hours, so it's going to be like 10% cash back on any deposit. So you still have the time to just notify your teams about that just for the 24 hours because of the token launch. So we have it. And also, like, just I don't want to go like really deep, in all of that stuff which we have on the website, because everybody know it already how the system is works and how what it's all about. Just like I think it's really important to provide information that right now, like many companies, they just out of the market, like that what I see. And like we still going strong, yeah, because of the master trader Jake, because that what we have with the trading. And this is the really great, guys, yeah, because like the master trader Jake, he have a lot of the experience. He know exactly how to like do this trading part, how to basically like all of this stuff with the different tokens, with the different crypto. So this is the really great, because like I'm not the trader, I don't know how that works. And even if sometimes he just provide that graphics, all of that analysis, sometimes I do not understand what all of that mean, just to tell you honestly, Jake. But I hope that you can provide for us some education about the copy trading, because just I want to find out how to copy trade by myself, yeah, how to trade by myself, so we can also teach our teams how to do that, and we can make additional streams of income, yeah, because all of the guys who have right now strong formula and like extreme formula, so we can join the copy trading chat, and like in that chat we can get the knowledge about that, how to like how to trade, yeah, for instance on the Bybit, also on that Gate.io, and on the bricks. Yeah, I think the bricks is already gonna be like possible to trade for the United States market, so Jake will gonna announce that. So yeah, guys, today's the basically webinar for the master trader Jake. He prepared something great for us, and just we all ears, Jake. So like I do not take today this part so long. Just want to provide for you like basically your time, so you can start with all of that presentation. So you ready to go?
Okay, great. And thank you, team, for great intro. So yeah, we will speak about today about copy trading and how is it easy to join it, and we will speak also about technical analysis and why is this a holy book for the trading, and this is our trading manual for each of the traders. So let's start. One second. Okay. So as I say, as you all know, we have the copy trading group for the investors who are investing more than 5K, who are in strong AI formula. In this group, as you know, it's easy to join. Yeah, you need just make the ticket on the site and or send a DM to me or the other support from the teams, and we will add you to the copy trading group. In the copy trading group, we have two accounts for now. The BitGet is really close to be end. We send it to more analysts, and I think in there too, maybe we will have this account too. We have for now Gate.io and Bybit. We are waiting still for a great signal to start trading, to make the first bigger trades, and we are still collecting our users. As you know, on the Gate.io, it's really easy to create account. As you know, only one click and you go to the sign up. You need to only make the email, password. We have the referral ID because we are provide some discount for the trading. And when you create account, you need to make first deposit at least $100, and you are ready for the copy trading. After that, you need to click on the Gate.io copy trading link. It's only 2 clicks away from you. So on that copy trading link, you will see Capitalium, you will see how to copy. Just click copy and choose how much money you want to invest in this account. And when you make it, it's all automatic. We will work for you. Our trading signals, what we send to the Gate.io will be done, and it's all automatic. But in any time you can add more money or remove all money. So this is really great features because you own your money, you own your investment, and you can take it at any time. But you can earn additionally 20 to 30% each month. So also we have the Bybit account. As you know, the Bybit is up to the $1,000, and on a Bybit it's really easy to join. And after you join, you make account, make the password. You have only one click to the copy trading, and you are ready to join. You can choose to up to the $1,000. So for the user who have, let's say, want to invest less than $1,000, Bybit is the best option. But for the users who want to invest more than $1,000, Gate.io is really great because Gate.io give opportunity to invest up to the $500,000 in the copy trading. Yeah, so this is really great thing. But with Binx, as you know, US customers have restrictions with the KYC, know your customer, and we are still working on a Binx account because Binx account can work for the US customers because it has US approval for the trading, and US customers don't need to make KYC for the Binx. So it's really great. It's really easy, simple, like Gate.io and Bybit. So I think in coming days, it's all about them. We make really great deals. We make some trades and profits. So they like our trades. They see who we are, what we work, and we expect in the coming days some positive reaction from them. As you know, copy trading is really hard. You need to be a real trader. You need to be a real deal. You need to make real trades, real profits. Everything need to be real, and everything is transparent. So this is the part when really great skill need to be shown. As you know, we make this for months for the Bybit and Gate.io, but we are now still working on Binx. So it takes the time. I think Gate.io will make almost 3 to 4 months. I think Bybit take 3 months to make. So it's really great because when we start with Bybit, then there was no restriction for US customers. But in coming months, it come restrictions. So we need to find another option. So we are working still on Binx account, but I think in the coming days, we will get approved from them. And also for today, I prepared some presentation about what is TAA and what is the technical analysis. As you know, in trading, TAA means it's a method used by the traders and investors to evaluate and make decisions about financial assets like stocks, like crypto, like everything and more. And it is involving in history analysis of the price. So we make the analysis about price, but in history. Let's say we make analysis in last 1 year, we make analysis in last 5 minutes, if you have 5-minute charts. So we make what happened before, we make the patterns, what will happen in the future. So this is how TAA works. So TAA is 90% of the trader job. Another 9% is watching news and following what's happening on the market, and 1% is just execute the trade. So executing the trade is really simple and really easy, but 99% of preparation is TAA and the reading and following world news and world information. So yeah, so what's the key components of the TAA? So the key component is the charts. As you know, each time I show you charts, I show you candles, I show you everything. So this is the part when the candlesticks or line charts can show you what's happened before or in some time frames, and it can visualize you how the price move. So you can see in the charts how price is going down, going up, making some moves. So this is why the charts are so important. Also, there is technical analysis indicators. They are widely used. We also have our own indicators who are working with AI. So as you know, there is relative strength index, there is MACD. So as you know, we have some indicators that show what happened in last 50 days, last 200 days, last 50 weeks, last 100 weeks. So we follow that lines and see where is the big resistance or big support. for the price, because if the price moving down for, let's say, 50 weeks, we can see that if the price target go close to that line of the 50 weeks, it'll probably be rejected and pushed back. So this is where the price is going. As you know, Bitcoin for last 2 years are dropping. So this price line in last 200 weeks is going down. It's going down, and each time the Bitcoin touched this line, he pushed back. So this is the part when this is easy and simple indicators, but we use them on a daily basis. Also, there is support and resistance. As I show you always, you need to find support and resistance. So you need to find where the price is fighting to break and when the price is holding the line. So this is very important, and it needs some time and some education to find it. But when you basically learn it, it's really simple, and it's always help you with finding your real entry trades for your moves and for your setups. Also, there are patterns. As you know, the patterns are very important. As you know, there is some bearish, bullish patterns. Let's say I will show you in my book how this look like, so you can visualize for yourself. But it's really important. And also there is trends. As you can see, there is some trends when the price is going up. There is trend when the price is going down. There is sideways trends. As you know, in last 2 months we have sideways. So no, there is no big moves, but this is the trend. The trend is always your friend, how we say it. So if you find the trend, if you follow the trend, you will make some profits. Because if you want to be bullish when everything is bearish, when everything is dropping down, you will probably lose the money. Yeah, you can make some small profits, but on longer term, you will lose money. Also, there is volume. Volume is really important. So that's how much money is in, how much coins are in. So volume show how much is about to trade. Let's say if you want to find some small altcoins, I suggest as altcoins with $30 million in volume. So this is the coin what have, let's say, value about $30 million. And in that range, this coin can move on a daily basis, sometimes 2, 3, 5, or 10%. So you can make really great trades. But if make the bull run or bigger push, you can make up to the 10,000K in a profit, 5K, or even more. So this is the part when you need to find very support for that small altcoin and find where is big resistance. So in that part, you make the trades and you buy low and sell high, as always. And for the end, I want to say that technical analysis is based on the premise that historical price and volume data what show you what will probably happen in the future. So we take the data from the history to make prediction for the next move. But with AI, we can do it even better, because AI can manipulate even more data, even more than one trade. I need to watch in the chart, let's say, for 10 days just to find some signal what AI can make in 10 seconds. So this is really, really great. So he can do even more data than me. He can find even more opportunities, but I need to choose where to enter the trades and when to find it, because AI is not, it's still learning, he's still growing, and he needs the data, and each day it's much better and much going up. But there is always the part when the trader need to make decision, because sometimes AI don't know there will be probably new war, there is some earthquakes in some countries, there is dump on the oil price or something like that. AI can take this live immediate moments. He can take in calculation when they pass. So this is the part when the trader need to make decision if he going to with signal or is he going with his own prediction. Also, technical analysis is just one approach for the trading. Also, as you know, if you are in US government, if you know some good data, what stock to buy and sell it after some days, like this Miss Pelosi, as you know it, she know what stock she need to buy and she sell it after 1 month or two. Yeah. So this is also she don't need a TA or anything. She just got the good news and good information and she want to sell it. But for all of us others, we need to get the TA and we need to watch the chart and find our opportunities. Also, there is effectiveness on technical analysis that is topic in the market. Let's say everybody from the trading move have their own technical analysis. There's some basics, but everybody have their own trading styles. So as you know, we have 4 teams of the traders, and my team, we work with the swings. So we take more days, more safer approach. We make the old charts look good, and when we got a strong signal and we got our own TA good, then we take the trades. But it takes 4 days. But you have the team from the scalps who take 10 to 20 trades a day. So they miss 5, 6, 7, 10 trades and they hit 10 trades. So they can work even more trades, but they risk smaller amounts. But we work on the bigger swings and bigger moves, and we use much more the AI, we use much more technical analysis. So this is the part when each trader has his own style, but the basics are basics. So everybody need to know what is the resistance, what is support, what is the patterns, what is the charts. So when you know all these basics, you can enter in the trades. For now, I will show you my ebook. Just a sec. So yeah, this is from my ebook. I worked for years on it. Yeah, as you can see, I published it last year, and there is a really part why the technical analysis is so important, because charts don't lie, because charts will show you how to work, how to trade, and this is the part when we need to use them and need to move with them. And also, for the start, you need to know what is the charts, what are the candles. So as you can see, these are the candles. This is the red candle, the candle what shows when price is dropping, and green candle when price is going up. As you can see, this was the highest price, this was the lowest price. But this is the opening price and this is the close price. So as you can see, this is the candle body and this is the candle tops and lows. And when you learn these basics, then everything is more simple for you and you can start to grow. As you know, there is always a bullish candlesticks, bearish candlestick patterns, as you know. So when I look at the charts, I see, oh, this is look like liquidity grab, so probably he will not drop anymore, he will push up in a next wave. This looks like there was some strong drop. This drop continued, but it pushed even back down. So this was called piercing line. As you know, each chart, each move has his own name. This was the bullish signifier. As you can see, there was bearish candlestick, and the second stick is bullish because it is much stronger than a bearish candlestick. So after this, the price go up. So as you can see on this line, price tried to go up, but this bearish stick come in the line and break it down. So this is the part when you, in years of the trading, you get to learn, you get more information to collect, to know the entries. So this is why these books like mine is really simple to use, is really simple to find. And when you see something like that, when you start to go to the charts as this, you can find something like that. So as you can see, this was the piercing line, and after that he pushed up with the candles. So this green candle was be stronger than that red candle, and price go up. So it's really simple, but you need to learn by the time to see these opportunities. So you watch, you say, ah, Jake showed something in the book. I think it was familiar to me. So I will look, I will try to find this line. Oh, this was the line when it break and he push up even stronger. So this is the part as a trader or as beginner, you need to follow your instruction and start working with just, let's say, one pattern. I want to find 3 white soldiers. So 3 white soldiers is when 3 candles go in each way. So I go to the charts and I see 1, 2, 3. As you can see, this is the 3 white soldiers. And after this, price only go up. So because this is the bullish pattern, as you can see, 3 white soldier with long screen, and this is the pattern when price is going up. So this is really simple. As you can see, this was on the daily chart, but if some good trader see this opportunity, see this, find this 3 white soldier, he will take these trades on this line and he will be in profit, let's say 4 or 5%. So this is the part why these books and why technical analysis is so important, because they make you even more confident with the signals and they bring you in a profit. I want to also show you just a second. It's really big book with so many data. We have some nice graphics also, yeah. But this is the part, this was the bearish. Let's say this was the bearish down. This was, let's say, when the price trying to break, but the resistance is too strong and the price is pulled back. And after that, we see another drop down. So I want to show you. Yeah, this is the possibility what could happen here. As you can see, price is trying to break up in a Bitcoin, but it's still unable to do it. And there will be a big possibility that the price will go even lower and the next day he will continue to drop. So as you can see, this is the part why we always wait, why we always watch what's happening in the line. And after that, we take our trades. I want to show you after this. This was bilateral. Let's say this was when the price is not moving. It's called doji. Doji happened, let's say it's happened too often in the last days. As you can see, this is all dojis. As you can see, they don't move too much. They just go little up, little down, but stay in the range. So we have also this kind, as you can see, this is spinning top. As you can, they only spinning, they touch up, down and hold, up, down and hold. So this is when we have boring consolidation. We have some period when the price is not moving so long. So we got also candlesticks for that. So by the time when I show you some charts and everything, you look at what Jake is speaking about. But in some time when we start, let's say you take 2 hours a week to follow my Zooms and you will learn something. But if you want to be a good trader, you need something like this book or take from the internet and just look in the charts and find some opportunities. And when you find 5 to 10 times opportunities, you will get even more confident. And after that, you can start taking the trades. So there is no guess, no nothing, just technical analysis and just watching what's happening on the market. I want to show you. So this is the technical indicators. As you know, we have our own technical indicators what show where the price is going. This is always the boring lines and charts what people don't understand. This is even much more upgraded. Also, this is the SMA, the moving averages and everything. This is the RSIs and everything. So in this book, it is really all collected, but this is the part what is support, what is resistance. So I want to make it even more simple for the users how to see, to watch. So when the price going down, it finds some support. He push up, but he's not going up. This is the first line of resistance. So you move these 2 lines and the price each time trying to break. But this is the point when we take the trades. So this is the point when we take the short trades because support didn't hold and price go down. And this is the point when we find some bullish breakout. So as I say, this is, let's say 32K. I say 32K is really big resistance. And Bitcoin try once time, Bitcoin try 2 times, and probably next and the 3rd time there will be a breakout. So as you can see, on a bigger time frame, I want to show you. This is a little bit messy. I have too many indicators, but I will make it on a bigger. So yeah, as you can see, this was the first time when the Bitcoin tried to break 30, 31, 32K and it dropped down. As you can see, he got another try. It got almost 32K, but this was really strong resistance. And after that, he break down lower. So after this next break up, we will probably have the break over the 32K. And I can say after that, there will be possibility of mini bull run. This mini bull run will go to up to the 45 to 50K. in this first step of the bull run, but this is the big resistance. So this is the big line when the price is not going to break it. So when everybody said that, Jake, we are back in a bull, let's see, this is the green candle. No, we are just maybe in the middle, but I will say we'll go maybe even lower before next leg up to break this up. So as you can see, for me, it is simple. As you can see, this was first try, second try, and we are maybe now here. We are maybe now here, yes. So as you can see, there's so many jobs before we got another bull run. Maybe even 1 year from this point. So as you can see, we are, let's say, here, and there is so many jobs, so many days, so many weeks before next bull run. So when the people say Jake bull run is started, no, we are maybe in the middle just of the third leg, yeah. So this was the line how to make this resistance and support line. If you want to start trading, you need just at least learn what is resistance support and how to make it. So as I say, just look when the price is hit and going down, this is resistance. When the price is trying to hold, this is support. And when you make this all two lines, this is your price target. As I said last time, this was my short entry zone, as you can see. So this is the line when I say I will wait until price go up here and I will take the short trade. As you can see, the price almost pushed back downward. So this big push from the Bitcoin was almost pushed back. So I expect maybe tomorrow we will see another leg down. Yeah, so this is the point when we find some short entry zone, and this is the point where we'll take the long entry zone. So as you can see, Bitcoin touched 4 or 5 times in a row this spine. This is big support. As you can see, this was also support. From this point, Bitcoin push up. So this is the part when you take the long trades, there is support, and you take the short trades when it's resistance. There is big resistance. So it's not so hard, but when you look the charts, when you have some bullish sides and look, it will be very easy. So this is the patterns. Patterns are very, very important for us. Let's say this is one of the easiest pattern. It's a flag pattern. As you see, let's say Bitcoin price hit 32K and he start dropping. And this was our little push maybe to 28K and another drop, but when we break this big resistance line, we can find another push up. So I want to show you on the easy way. I will maybe go to this. So yeah, there was not so much lines. I will make it on 1 day. So from this point, as you can see, I will make this line. So yeah, so this was our trend. So this was our drop trend from here, as you can see. So this was our line. So we make some small break up from this point, and there is big possibility that price will go up from this point. So as you can see, we break from our pattern. Pattern was this side, as you can see, puff, puff on this line. So it's called a flag pattern. This was the bullish flag. I will show you also bearish flag. So this is the bullish flag when the price is dropping down and they're trying to break about this resistance. So as you can see, the price try first time this, trying this, and this was the third time, and maybe we will have the breakup. Sometimes we have some deviation when they try to take your money and they want to say, oh, it's breaking up, let's go, and they take your money in your position and push it back. So this is the part when you need to wait at least 1 to 2 days to see if this will hold and then take your trades up. So when you know this flag pattern, it's really simple. You also have this inverse head and shoulders pattern. You will also rounding bottom. You will also falling wedge. So there is so many patterns. But when you start, let's say with flag, with easiest pattern, you can grow your trades and grow your setups. So it's everything about making the lines, making the moves, and each of these patterns have their own names. And when you, let's say, learn about 2 or 3 patterns, you can start trading because you will know how to find big opportunity to enter the trades. Also, After the bullish pattern, there is also bearish pattern. As you can see, there is a big bearish pattern. It's called double top. So this was when the price tried to break 2 times in a row. As you can see, with Bitcoin, we have double top at the moment. As you can see, this was first time and this was second time to break. And after this, the price is going down, but there is big support. I will show you. I'll just make it a little bit easier to watch. So this was the first line. I will just see where is my brush. Yeah, so this was the first top, this was the second top, and this is the neck of that support. So as you can see, just a second. So as you can see, this was first trying to break, this was second time to break, and this is the line where we have the neck. So at the neck, at the breakout point, there is hold. If the price break the 25K and hold under it, we will see another drop down. So this is the pattern. So this is why Bitcoin is so bearish at the moment, because everybody is watching on this double top line and they are waiting to this 24 to 25K to break down. As you can see, for today, I think this was really great fake out to take people's money. So Bitcoin dropped, as you can see, while I'm speaking, it was dropping. Yeah. So this is
Just let me check. Let me check.
yeah. So from when we start speaking to now, it's for almost 2%. Yeah. So at this moment, I expect in maybe 2 or 3 hours, we will see another drop. Yeah, under this line and possible continuation of the drop. So this was really great short entry, as I say. As you can see on my last Zoom, I show you what was my short entry zone. So if we take this trade at this moment, we will be in profit 2 or more percent, just in an hour or two. Yeah. So you can see the proof in my last video when I show you when we'll take the short trades and when we take the long trades. So this is the part where TAA and the trading signals can work together and show how to trade and how to make the moves. So yeah, sometimes it's fun to me because every time teams say it will be going bullish, it drop another leg down. Yeah. So,
it just was 27,200 right now. Just you said it's 26,900.
yeah. It's just dropping. I know it will drop. Yeah, it's not something new for me. Yeah, but we could take maybe some live trade when we started, but we will take another time. But this is the part when I want to show you how this book, how these patterns and take of your position and taking of your time can make you in a profit. And with AI, who can take all this information and make it even faster and even better, we can make the really great trades. So I don't want to be bored anymore. So I hope, guys, you enjoy this and you find some good information. Also, if someone is interested in a book, we will share on the next time when we got Mike Dwyer. I can share some ebook for the free, yeah, for the users who want to start for the trading. Yeah, I'm always open to people to learn, to earn something. The book is on the sale for $50. I sell for the thousands of the copies, so people really like it. It's all charty, it's easy to find, to see. So I think people will love it. And we also have the part when we show how to trade with the bots, how we use the signals, how everything, so how to set up the bots, how to set up automatic trades and everything. So I think in the future, when everybody starts watching even more users come and watch these videos, see these tutorials, I think they'll be even more interested to start their own trades with this guide and with this setup. Yeah. So I think it's enough for today, but in the coming weeks and days, I will show you even better information and even how to easily use these charts, how easily use these candlesticks, and to make your own trades and not to be taken by like these candles when they take your money and when you see some green day. But big market maker they are really hard. Most of them are BlackRock users and they know how to trade. They have a lot of the money and they manipulate the small users. So I suggest just follow the real traders, follow the knowledge, and follow your setups and take it for your trade sometimes, because sometimes it's better to take 2 trades a month than take 5 trades a day, because these 2 trades a month can make you 20, 30, 50, 100% in a profit when you make the good setup. And when the trade come to you, you need to wait when the trade come to you and to your setup, and then take the trades. So as I say last time, I will wait until this price come to this short zone, you can see in my last zoom, and then take the trade. So we wait for these days, and the trade come to us and come in the profit. So this is really simple, but it's need time, needs patience, and need the knowledge. Yeah, I don't want to bore you anymore. So if you have some questions, you can ask. Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Hope it.
it just was really awesome, Jake, because like I see that Gina, she said like so awesome. He showed the real trades and he basically like show how he does it. So I think it's really great because like by my opinion also as well, no other platform can provide something like this. Yeah, it's truly amazing. And like I do not understand sometimes why people basically do not follow the zooms when the Jake he doing that, because this knowledge it costs, I don't know how much does it cost to really, Jake, because like
Yeah.
yeah, to get a book, of course, it's the great. So of course, I also suggest for all of you to get the book from Jake, but also you need to read the book, and also you need Jake to explain how all of that is works. So like we have it
Yeah.
with the copy trading. So I think it's something awesome, something excited, because like
Yeah.
there's many platforms is around, definitely many platforms they provide something, but like few of them been collapsed yesterday. I just checked that, like to be honest. And I'm not saying
Yeah.
that we don't have risks right here. We also have risks, but in the end of the day, we have the real trader, yeah, who can provide for us something real, and the trader with experience with his own book, yeah, so he know exactly how to trade and he can prove it. So like, I'm just saying it's really awesome. So I see some question. So chat have the question. Okay, chat, you can ask your question. Just take it away.
Yes, I mean, I love the idea that Jake just demonstrate the charts. I'm a trader myself. I trade the forex markets. I understand how that this whole thing works.
Yeah.
So I'm currently trading at indices right now as we speak. But my question is basically is that where is the sustainability of where this company is going to be. I mean, nothing is promised. We know in this game nothing is guaranteed, but given the fact that I've seen platform recently one almost collapsing and trying to come back. I don't know where they're going, but at the same time, you know, you know, the future of this company is it going to be around? I don't know, maybe 6 months, a year. What's the goal, the timeline? What are we looking at as far as the timeline of this? Because the only reason why, because you put your initial capital you don't get back that in return, but you get it back through the daily dividends payouts.
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
ask. I can answer this question, and Jake, you can also add something to my answer. So basically, yeah. So what I see for all of the platforms with daily ROI, like all of them includes the risk. Yeah. So we can promise right now, for example, because me and like Gina, all of the guys who right here, so we the same basically builders. We the same just investors who jump but we jumped the first. Basically, it was like 1st of June, a little bit earlier. So it was the first one who joined this platform. But in the end of the day, we don't know how long the platform gonna be exist. Maybe it will gonna exist another 2 years. Maybe it will gonna exist another 1 year. But maybe some basically some shit will gonna happen and the platform gonna be going. I don't know like that. So just I'm saying, of course, it includes risk. So do not forget about that. But like always just compare, opportunities and risks together. Yeah, and decide if you want to go with that or you don't know. So Jake, you can also add something.
Yeah, and I want to add, because this whole platform have daily API from 1, 2, 3, 5%. It's not sustainable. Each trader know you can guarantee even 10% a month,
I know
not,
that, yes.
Yeah, 2% a week.
I struggle to get 1% a week sometimes. So
Yeah, and this is good. Yeah, this is good because you're not in minus. Yeah, as you know, but you need the time and the education. But with this company, I'm just a trader. I'm a supporter. I'm sending the signals. I work with them. But in this company, they work on also on the token. They work on exchange. They work on a staking platform. They will also provide they provide copy trading and everything. So they have few more products. So this is not only just to give people big API so they can join and we can take their money. This is platform long term. because they are growing with coins, they are growing with some backup, that they're investing in real things, and they want to share the knowledge and show the opportunities for all the users. So this is why I think this platform is very great. I trade for the years. I often got the calls from another platforms and everything, but I want a company who build, who work, because in bear market it's time to build. So it's time to build, to grow it, and in a bull run it's a time when you make the payouts. So this is the point when I think this kind, with the trading, with small APIs, and with the growing of the exchanges, and even own their own token, I think that they have the futures to grow in the coming days, months of year. Yeah. So we all expect next year bull run, but who knows?
Yes.
Yeah, who knows? But when you get some good product, let's say if Capitalion come to 10K users, they have already started using Lium tokens and everything. They have already got some good trades. They have copy account who work for a year or two. They will bring so much more investors, and they will be ready for next bull run. So it's all about to make them ready for the next bull run and make the good preparation. Yeah. And as I say last time, as you can see, we have this small pre-launch. We got this small five Ethereum for the tokens, for the Lium tokens, some soft cap. This is the opportunity for user when you can take your $100 and leave it to work. Yeah, so you invest in Lium token $100, you will not lose much if anything happens, but you will be ready for next bull run when the exchange start working, when DeFi work and everything. So I think it's really great opportunity. As always, take your profits when you can, but I think this company have the future, and then don't give some big promises with 3, 5, 10% a day. So I think if somebody knows the maths, you will see that is sustainable.
It's unsustainable when you go with so high numbers sometimes. And I gotta be honest with you, I'm in a couple platforms myself, but this is the only one I'm promoting because of what I've seen behind the scene and what you guys are bringing to the table. I'm very picky on what I promote because I've bought a lot of bridges in the past, and I choose the ones I want to promote to share with people, because it's end of the day, no matter what, people still come back and point fingers at you because you put them into some things. I want to make sure this is where this is going to be around for some time.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what we all work. Yeah, I give
all of us, we want this platform to work for the next few years 100%. Yeah, so that's why we're here, but like we cannot predict the future like one.
Exactly. Yes. But at least I know what I see when I see real trade. I know real trade. I see trade in view charts. I know all the SMAs and the is using, and and understand what he was doing. Jake was doing in the charts. I know this real trades.
That's awesome.
So we will love to have even more traders on this.
I don't mean to no, but that's my name. My company is TraderFX. That's my logo I see on my screen. So that's what I do.
Yeah, great. So you can DM me. We can speak about trades like setups or everything. Yeah.
Okay.
So wow. Yeah. I'm always ready to share information with the traders and to work with them. So we are nothing to hide. We want to work. We want to grow. So this is the part. Yeah.
I'm glad I can do that with you, Jake. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you too.
Yeah. Thank you, chat. Yeah, guys. So maybe somebody also have the questions. So like, Jake is here, so you can ask everything about the trades.
I see we don't have too many participants, because Jennifer showed the money, Jake showed the knowledge. Yeah,
because today no Jennifer, and today is no giveaway.
People love to get money, but sometimes it's even better to get more knowledge. So if you want to invest on long term, I hope my knowledge and my skills will be shown to you, and you will make the point from them. So it's not about money every time. It's something about how to learn it, how to find it, and how not to lose the money. By the way.
Yeah, chat. You want to also?
I just want to add to that quick. What Jake just said. He just hit it on the nail on the head. The knowledge is where the value is. That's where it is. The more you learn, is the more value you become.
Exactly, because guys, we can get the skill of trades on this platform from Jake, because Jake he been just taking that experience for the years, and we can take it faster from professional. So for me, this is the great way to get the knowledge from pro, yeah, so like can just do it myself. And even after that, when we can just understand the trading part, we can trade by ourselves without Capitalium, without all of that platforms. We can go on any basically exchange and trade right there. So like why not if we have that knowledge? So like just that's why here's not so many people, because today is not the giveaway, because like previous webinar we had like 100 people and I can't accept more because the room is just for the 100 people. And like today it's not too much because no giveaway. But like Jake said and like Chad said, that definitely guys, the knowledge, it costs much more than money, because if you have the knowledge and you have the skills, so all the time you can make the money. Yeah. And just if you don't have it, so somebody will give it to you, you spend it, and like you searching where to get more. But when you have the skill, you can do it all the time. So that's really important. Yeah, so thanks everyone who was today with us. Really, like we appreciate you, Jake. We appreciate your time, your knowledge, that what you share with us all the time. And yeah, we're gonna see you like on the next webinar. I think it's gonna be tomorrow with Jennifer. Yeah, tomorrow gonna be Jennifer, our Chief Operation Officer. And like, yeah, so maybe more guys will gonna join, you know, because Jennifer gonna be right there.
Yeah, it's much more prettier than me. I'm some got these black lines under the eyes. Yeah, but I got some knowledge. I hope you will get it all. Yeah.
Yeah, but
And
your
thank
information,
you.
is cost
Yeah,
much here, Jake. So we
yeah.
appreciate you. Yeah, thanks guys. We'll see
Thank
you.
you, man. Thank you. Bye bye.